Hello, my name is Suzanne Jeffries. I'm a certified nutrition therapist, and along with an amazing team of fitness and wellness experts, I am happy to share with you our Fit and Fabulous 21-Day Sugar Cleanup. Now, you're probably here because you're curious about how you could actually lose weight, increase your energy, maybe focus better, decrease your cravings, and do it in 21 days in a way that's really simple and that works for busy people. And hey, if it's 100% money back guaranteed, I'm sure that caught your attention as well. How would you like it if you had workout ideas, support, giveaways, tips, recipes, snacks, meal prep ideas, accountability, and a personal nutrition coach to guide you along the way? And what if it was available all online so that you could work this through the comfort of your own home? Well, that's what we got going for you, and I will absolutely be delighted to share more with you. So, most people are here with us because they'd like to change one thing about their life. And if you could change one thing about yours, what would it be? Would it be staying fit and healthy, maybe enjoying life more, losing weight? Lots of different things that people are really looking to improve in their lives, and we've got a vehicle that I think could be of help. Now, a lot of times we start the new year hoping for some changes, making some plans, and whether this is January, February, March, October, any time of year, if you're like most of us, you may have found that you had lots of goals to accomplish, and yet they may have fallen by the wayside, probably because you're just really busy and you need something simple that actually works. Well, what if you could actually do something that would help you reach your goals and that you can enjoy, like we have with so many other people? Because, you know, life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. And we've worked with over 1,000 people guiding them through better health. And the sugar cleanup has been one of our most popular ways to achieve this quickly, easily, and having a lot of fun doing it. So we call it the Fit and Fabulous 21-Day Sugar Cleanup. Again, it's great if you want to lose weight, increase your energy, increase your mental acuity, decrease cravings, and get a whole lot of support and be able to flex and be like, bam, I love the way I feel in my skin. Now, why is there such a huge need for this? Well, I'm sure I'm not the only one who's ever felt like this when I look at the scale. I don't know if this is how you feel now or maybe have been in the past, or you know someone who's been a little panicked when they look at the numbers on the scale. It kind of creeps up on us sometimes, this extra weight that we may be carrying around. And it's not just because it's the holidays or a birthday celebration, graduation. It's not just because of one occasion. It's just that there's a lot of really tasty food available that can tempt us all year long. It may be at parties. Maybe it's fast food. You know, so many of us are so busy, we tend to go to fast food options that may not be so healthy for us, but they're quick and they're cheap. Or it could be desserts. Maybe that's your downfall. Whatever it is, you may need a miracle. And guess what? We got you covered. It's our Fit and Fabulous 21-Day Sugar Cleanup. You could join the hundreds of people across the U.S. who've already changed their lives, seriously, from the comfort of their device. It's convenient, it's quick, and you get 100% money back guaranteed. I don't know any other programs that guarantee that the way we do. We so believe in what we do that we will absolutely be sure to offer you that benefit as well. Now, does this really work? I mean, I'm saying it works, but let me tell you some stories of people who have joined us. Bonnie says, I feel so much better, lost 10 pounds, and decreasing sugar to below 50 grams has had a significant positive effect on the mild form of lupus I have. I'll be watching my sugar from now on, not just for 21 days. Really excited for Bonnie. Jim H. said that unless something ridiculous happens, like he falls into a bowl of ice cream, he will have completed the 21-day sugar challenge to the letter. In the process, he dropped 11 pounds. That's in 3 weeks. A pant size, and he feels amazing, and he plans to make that his new normal. Now, can he fall off the wagon for a day or two? Of course, absolutely. We know that life is full of special occasions. So while this is something you can do for 21 days, you may find that afterwards, you want to continue some of the healthy changes you've made, making allowances for holidays and things like that, because, you know, we just want to enjoy that healthy journey and sustain those wonderful changes and goals that we've reached throughout. Now, Kate says that before she started the 21-day sugar cleanup, she was 6 weeks postpartum and had plateaued in her weight loss. After her first child, her weight had come consistently off, and she was near pre-pregnancy weight again by 8 weeks postpartum. Now, with this pregnancy, she plateaued at 3 weeks, and she still had 20 pounds left to go. So how did it work for her? Well, now she's totally sold on a low sugar lifestyle. Her sugar cravings are near non-existent. She's eating more healthy proteins and fats that are good for her milk supply and her energy levels. She's down 6 pounds, but more importantly, she feels really good, even with 2 little ones. And beyond that, she struggled with dizziness and migraines her whole life. And guess what? She has not had a migraine for 3 weeks. I love that. Such great side benefits you didn't even expect. But you may be wondering, why is this such a life-changing experience for so many people? Why so many great results so quickly? Well, what's the truth about sugar? Well, there's some good, there's some bad, and there's some ugly. And when you understand a little bit more about the impact sugar has in your body, you'll understand why so many people feel amazing after just 21 days. Because sugar not only weakens our immune system dramatically, it's actually the anti-nutrient, it also has a significant effect on weight loss or gain. It adds zero nutritional value to your body, and guess what? It's highly addictive, so the more you eat, the more you want. It messes with your hormones. Excess sugar is linked to many modern diseases. It affects your emotional and mental health too. So if you can follow a low sugar, I'm not going to say diet, but lifestyle, it can really make you feel great. But why is it so hard to get back on sugar? Well, it's as addictive as cocaine. It actually triggers the same parts of the brain that cocaine does. So it's just as addictive, and it's also as addictive as heroin. So this is really a serious conversation we're having. Why is it so hard to cut back? Well, there's a perpetual cycle. When you eat sugar, you like it and you crave it because it has addictive properties. Then your blood sugar levels spike. Dopamine is released in the brain, and that causes addiction. And mass insulin is secreted to drop the blood sugar levels down that went way up because of the sugar intake. Next, blood sugar levels fall rapidly. Then high insulin results, which causes, by the way, did you know, immediate fat storage? And the body craves that lost sugar high. So for hunger and cravings start, low blood sugar levels start, and they cause increased appetite and cravings. And so guess what? You eat more sugar, you like it, you crave it, and that whole cycle is repeated. Pretty nasty, if you ask me. It explains a lot, doesn't it? It's not just that your willpower is weak, it's that this is actually a biochemical reaction in your body. Who knew? So what can you do about it? Well, you don't have to do this alone. You can join us for a 21-day sugar cleanup. You can cut your sugar cravings, and guess what else? You can jumpstart a sensible weight loss plan by cleansing your liver. It can help to overcome cravings and addictions to sugar and caffeine and unhealthy fats. And guess what? Most people start feeling much less levels of cravings within 24 to 48 hours. It's kind of crazy how quickly our body can recalibrate. When we get the bad stuff out, we put the good stuff in. Heightens all kinds of senses, balances and regulates hormones, boosts metabolism, yay, who doesn't want that, and enhances digestion, brings radiance to the eyes and skin, and guess what? It increases focus, clarity, energy, and it can develop a better mood for you, which of course leads to more harmonious relationships. But you still may be wondering if this sounds too good to be true. Will this work for you? Well, Marianne said before she started the 21-day sugar cleanup, she didn't know why her weight, energy, and sleep patterns were all over the board. She committed to it because she knew her tendencies were towards sugar addiction. And her husband and she needed to boost their reestablished patterns of healthy living. Most of her transformation was mental. However, during the 21-day sugar cleanup, she lost 4 pounds and lots of inches. Best of all, her clothes fit better, and her outlook is great. So I'm so excited for her. And she realizes now that sugar is a drug that seduces you to have so more and more, and she has broken that sugar habit. Now, what about Erica D? Erica D said that before she started the 21-day sugar cleanup, she was feeling tired and having crazy heart palpitations. That's horrible. Heart palpitations are really scary, and this is a young woman. She committed to it because she was curious how much sugar she actually consumed, and because she really needed the accountability that a group brings. Now, after 21 days, she feels more energy, and guess what? She has not had a heart palpitation since about day 3. The best part, she really hasn't missed the sugar. She's gained a ton of new recipes and healthy habits. And why would she recommend it? Because just like most people, she always does better when she's not alone. The information shared was super helpful. And who doesn't want to feel better? I love that, Erica. Good for you. So you're probably thinking, wow, this sounds really great. I love all those benefits. I'd love to have those changes myself. But how the heck do I do it? Well, here's the thing. First, you got to choose the sugar cleanup kit that's the best fit for you. We have several options because we know that everyone's a little bit different. So let's take a look at that. Now, our sugar cleanup kits provide the right nutrients that you need to help you feel great and get the bad stuff out. And I'm very happy to announce that our product partner is Shaklee, the #1 natural nutrition company in the U.S. For over 60 years, generations of families have counted on Shaklee to do what no other company can. Make products that are naturally safe, proven, effective, and guaranteed. Yeah, baby. So what are some of your options? Well, your most basic option is option 1. You would have the Vitally multivitamin, very important because it's whole food, beyond organic vitamins to help fill the gaps of your daily diet and give you a foundation to help you feel your best. Plus, you would have 1 serving of a shake a day. Now, why? Because these non-GMO plant-based protein shakes help to keep you energized, retain muscle, lose fat, reduce cravings, and keep you full. Who doesn't want that? And if you get enough for 2 servings a day, that means it's 2 meals you really don't have to think about. We have all kinds of flavors that are incredible: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, cafe latte, plain and simple, which is just no flavor. And we have so many recipes: pina colada, chocolate dipped strawberry. Oh, geez, I could go on and on. Ginger green smoothies. So all kinds of great ideas for that. That will cover 1 meal per day for you. Now, you can see there's a retail price and a member price. The great news is that we can show you how to get that 15% discount for free. So be sure to ask your Shaklee connection about that, because I'm all about saving money. And I don't know about you, but if I can save an extra 15% for free, I'm absolutely in. I want to hear more about that. Option 2. Now, if you want a little bit more, a little bit better results and just a little bit more nutrition so you can really fuel your body right, I'm going to recommend either the Vitalizing Plan or the 180 Starter Kit. The Vitalizing Plan comes with a multivitamin strip. We actually call this the Strip and Shake Plan, as well as the shakes. Enough shakes for 30 servings. So you could have 1 shake on some days, 2 on other days. Provides all the multivitamins, omegas, B-complex, vitamin C, antioxidants, vitamin E, and probiotics. Really all the nutrients you need in your day to thrive. And then option 3, this has the basic multivitamin. It also has the shakes, but it includes snack bars, a box of 10, Core Nutrition, which is the Vitally multivitamin, and Metabolic Boost. Metabolic Boost we'll tell you a little bit more about, but that product basically boosts your metabolism so you burn calories more quickly, and it stabilizes your blood sugar so that your energy stays strong, your cravings get crushed, and your mood stays really, really great. So 3 options. You can see that the option 2, retail would be $188. Member price is about $160. And 180 Starter Kit, about $200 or about $170. So very close in cost. You just really need to decide what would be the best fit for you. Now, add-ons, because sometimes people want to add on a little bit extra to make the results even better. If you want the best results, I'm going to highly recommend you add the Healthy Cleanse Kit. Why? Well, these products help to support healthy digestion. They jumpstart weight loss even more. They increase your focus and energy, hunger management, and improve sleep quality. So if you want to get those added benefits, you could add that on. Or if you are not getting the 180 Starter Kit, but you really wanted that metabolic boost, you can certainly add that as well. Other add-ons that people love, we have some wonderful teas, either pomegranate or green tea. And this is not just tea. These teas actually help improve energy, boost metabolism, are so full of antioxidants. They're going to really help to keep you strong and healthy as you go through this. Interestingly, this is a great choice for those of you who may say, well, it's going to be really hard because, you know, what am I going to do without my Starbucks? I'm used to having a really delicious, or my soda, my pop. Well, this is a great alternative that will really help you stay strong. If you're not a tea drinker, but you'd love to get some extra energy, we have this Energize Lemon Lime, which is fabulous, especially if you're someone who likes to work out. No sugars at all natural, improves energy, performance, and focus. Or we have Hydrate, another great add-on if you'd like. This is great for people who use something like Gatorade or some other electrolyte type beverage that's full of artificials and sugars and nasty chemicals. Use this instead. It'll keep you really, really well hydrated. A couple of other options. We have Build, which is a protein powder. It is made from whey protein. Now, I don't know about you, but I typically stay away from dairy because it makes, it gives me a little upset tummy. The whey in this is so clean, it doesn't bother me at all, and it's delicious, adds a ton of extra protein, and it has extra leucine in it, just like the Life Shakes, which helps us to actually build muscle faster. So I don't know about you, but I'm all about building muscle because the more muscle I have, the more metabolism I have, and the faster my body burns those calories. Another great option, Stress Relief Complex. I kind of live on this because all of us have stress. And this Stress Relief Complex, well, it's kind of like, it's like the feeling you get after having a glass or 2 of wine without having the wine. It helps you relax, takes the edge off. But this, unlike wine, improves your energy and your focus. So whatever you've got going on, you can actually resolve it more easily with less angst, less stress. And the secret sauce in Stress Relief Complex, the ashwagandha, helps our body release something called cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that our body releases when our adrenaline kicks in, you know, the fight or flight. And the downside of cortisol, which is very toxic, is that it actually keeps us from shedding belly fat. So if you've got a little stress going on and you've got a little belly fat that you'd like to release a little more easily, this is a great gift to give yourself. Finally, B-complex, another great option because vitamin B helps us to increase energy and focus and decrease stress. Now, a couple of other things just to make your busy planning a little bit easier. We have meal bars. So if you're someone who's on the go and who uses a lot of fast food, you're going to want to grab some of these. They're a full meal. They come in blueberry and almond or peanut butter and chocolate chip or white chocolate cinnamon. 7 meals, nothing faster than grabbing a meal bar, and it will keep you well below your sugar gram requirements. And they're really, really good. Or you can order some snack bars. All kinds of different flavors. You can get one box that has different flavors in it, or you can order the flavor of your choice. 10 snacks and that. Again, if you're always on the run and you just have to grab something that's not so good for you, you really want to stock up on these. So what's your next step? Well, you want to sign up today. So contact the person who invited you, your Shaklee Connection, to order the best core nutrition pack for you. You can ask them questions, ask them to help you choose. And be sure to ask them how to save money and get free shipping and handling, because I'm sure they're going to offer a special promo as a thank you for taking this on. Place your order right away to avoid extra expedited shipping costs. After all, you're going to want to start as soon as possible. And once your order is placed, your Shaklee Connection will add you to our exclusive private Facebook group, Fit and Fabulous 21-Day Sugar Cleanup, where all the action is. Now, you want to commit to starting today and going for it. Don't overthink it. Don't second guess yourself. Just do it. Because remember, perfection is not expected, but prioritizing your health is. You are going to want to join in on our ongoing group as soon as you have access and have your products, and we are here for you. All kinds of support you need there. How-to videos, Q's and A's. We have shopping lists. We have meal planning suggestions. We have a gazillion recipes. Plus, we have a lot of fun inspiration, education, and some great prizes, surprises, and giveaways along the way. And hey, by the way, if you've got a buddy who benefit, if you're thinking of someone who you might want to do this with, share this info. And when your friend signs up, hey, make sure they mention that you referred them. Both you and they get $10 cash back. And what's not to like? We love to give back to say thank you for helping us spread the word, because we have a vision and a passion for creating a whole wave of better health this year and beyond. So what do you do once you have your products? Well, you're going to have 3 different action plans. Oh, sorry, it's a little hard to see, but I'll read them to you. For the best results, if you really want to go for it, you're going to adhere to the less than 50 grams of sugar per day, and your Shaklee Connection will help you. Plus, no artificial sweeteners, colors, flavors, or preservatives, no refined sugar, no gluten and dairy, plus a healthy cleanse kit. Now, if you're not quite ready to go for quite that hardcore, you can certainly do the same plan without the healthy cleanse kit. That's fine. And that'll give you good results, very good results. If you're only ready to do something a little bit lighter, a little bit easier, then go for Action Plan 3. And you'll use less than 50 sugars a day, sugar grams. And of course, nothing artificial, no refined sugar. Okay, but you can still do gluten, you can do dairy. And do you have to give up your coffee? No. Do you have to give up your glass of wine? No. Do you have to give up your meat? No. It's just not that restrictive. That's why so many people have had such great success with this. So here it is, the Fit and Fabulous 21-Day Sugar Cleanup. It's a simple online plan for busy people that is 100% guaranteed. Hey, what I didn't mention is that the only thing you pay for is your products. We throw in all the rest of the support, the giveaways, the workout ideas, the accountability, the recipes, the snack, the meal prep ideas, all of that is absolutely free. So if you're serious about feeling better fast, I'm going to encourage you to make that decision, reach out to the person who connected you, and I will be really looking forward to welcome you to our 21-Day Fit and Fabulous Sugar Cleanup. Be well, good luck, and listen, you deserve it. Go ahead and make a decision that can change your life today.